What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to Two Guys Build a Biz. In this video, I'm about to blow your mind with some really cool ways that we can use AI to grow our agency. So if you're first getting started, one of the biggest things that you're going to be working on is trying to create a logo, or maybe you have an agency today and your logo needs some love. Maybe it was something like Derek and I, when we first got our agency started, that you created using Photoshop and you didn't have any Photoshop skills like me, and now it's time to maybe have an update or a rebrand. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Now, before we jump into it, I've got two things for you guys. First of all, inside of Growth Club, if you didn't know, we now have over 3,000 members, and we just launched a completely free SMMA course. Completely free, no strings attached, free to join. The link is at the top of the description down below, and I'll also throw it in the pinned comment. And as you can see here, we now have over 3,000 members inside of Growth Club. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna click the link, you're gonna request to join, you're gonna wait for us to approve your request, and then you're gonna come up here to Classroom and go to Growth School LGA Masterclass after you watch the start here, okay? Jump in here, and as you can see, I mean, these are some heavy videos. 30-minute long video, 19-minute long video, 23-minute long video, and so on and so forth. This isn't just some for show free course that people put out there that requires an upgrade or something like that. It's completely free, it's super informative, and you're gonna learn a ton inside of this free course. Check it out down below. Now, the second thing I've got for you guys in the description down below is a free resource with a bunch of AI prompts. So these are prompts that you can use to create logos exactly like I'm gonna show you inside of this video. These are prompts that you can just copy paste based on your niche or the industry that you work in, drop into the platform, and it'll be a great starting place for you guys to jump off of and get started with your logo. So make sure you grab that as well. Now let's go ahead and jump into it. So in this video, we're gonna explain how you can use AI to create a logo. And as you can see here, I actually went ahead and I've been creating all sorts of different stuff. We're in the midst of rebranding our agency because this is a tool that we're using as well. And as you can see here, I created just an example logo for a plumbing agency. I called it Plumber Scale. If you choose that name, be sure to give me credit, but I'm sure it's available. But as you can see here, this is a pretty cool modern logo here that I created using ChatGPT. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I went about doing this. And if we come up here, we can see this is what we started with based on the first prompt. And we got it all the way down to looking like this, which looks pretty darn good. If you ask me, if I was starting a plumbing agency, I would be more than comfortable using this for my business. So let's go ahead and talk about how to do this. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is open up a new chat here in ChatGPT. There are other tools that do this. I personally, I'm not the type of person who's like obsessed with learning every single possible thing with AI right now. I'm looking for things that are advanced and impactful that I can implement and really have a lot of impact with. And with the new images update that ChatGPT rolled out last week, these are huge updates and they're super usable. And this has honestly just had like agency Twitter completely blown up. Follow me on there, by the way. And it's really just changed a lot of things. So let's go ahead and get rolling with this. So first of all, we're going to want to make sure that we're using the ChatGPT 4.0 model here, okay? I've got the $200 ChatGPT plan. I've got access to all the other models, but the one that we want to use that they deployed it on is this 4.0. This might change if you're watching this several months from now. It might be available in a bunch of different models, but the one that we want to be using here is the ChatGPT 4.0 as of the publishing of this video. Now, we want to add in here what we call a prompt, okay? So if you haven't used AI, you need to give it a prompt. Now, in order to get a good looking logo, we want to be specific. We want to give it some guardrails to go off of. And that's going to help it basically just come out with something that's a good starting point. Good chance that the first thing that you put in here isn't going to be an amazing logo. As you could see, the first one that I got was pretty bad. And then I basically refined it and I said, okay, like here's some creative ideas, had 6 or 7 different versions as it sent over. And I was like, all right, this is actually legit, exactly like you would with a normal designer. Okay. So here's what we're going to go ahead and do. I'm going to say, I am starting a social media marketing agency. And again, in the link down below, I've got a bunch of prompts that you can just copy paste with a bunch of different guardrails that'll give you a ton of awesome stuff. So make sure you grab that. I'm starting a social media marketing agency. My niche, let's just say, let's go with the plumber scale thing again, right? My niche is plumbing and my agency is named Plum Scale, okay? Let's call it Plumber Scale. I would like a logo that is modern, edgy, and let's make it futuristic. Looks futuristic. Use a faucet as part of the logo to have a visual reference. Use blues and a simple white style. And then we go ahead and we hit enter. And it's going to start working. Now, to make sure works right, you're going to want to make sure it has this like getting started. Sometimes if you don't prompt it correctly, it just reverts to the old image model. It looks really bad. But it should look like this, getting started, and then it's going to load from top to bottom. So this is how these models are built. It's going to load from top to bottom, and then it's slowly going to just sort of begin revealing here. And depending on how many people are asking for this at any given time, it works really quickly or it works really slowly. I've also noticed that sometimes you have varying qualities at different types of day. So here's what it's coming up with. I mean, already looks like we're heading in a good direction. Dang. Okay, this actually, this actually looks sick. This actually looks really good. So we got the faucet up here, and then we've got the plumber scale font. So now if I was being super critical of this, I think that the style of the faucet versus the font look a little disjointed. Like this looks like a super, almost like Tron looking font. And this faucet to me looks like sort of a more contemporary style. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to say, this looks great. Please, always say please and thank you to AI, by the way. That way, when the robots take over the world, they're like, hey, this guy was cool. This guy was nice to us. So I always say please and thank you. This looks great. Please update the font because it looks a little too futuristic for plumbers. Yeah, let's just go with that. Okay, here's what we got going on. Okay, so this honestly, in my opinion, looks pretty good. I'm still not crazy about the font. And now it almost looks like it's a little bit like illustrated. So I'm gonna go ahead and say, and I think also there's a way that we could integrate this faucet with the text a little bit. So I'm gonna say, honestly, I think the older version was better. This looks almost drawn. Let's make it modern still. And let's see if we can put text inside of the faucet pipe. All right, so it's coming out here. Okay, this honestly looks super, super sick in my opinion. Like this to me, if you're working with plumbers, this looks like something that is super modern. It's like well designed. This is something that you could put on a hat. This is something that I could see, you know, something that I always like to think to myself when I'm looking at a logo is, does this look like a logo that the people in that space would put on an article of clothing? Like is the logo that you've created so close to their industry type of logos that it looks like you're part of the community, okay? So as an example, if I go up here, if I was to have this, like it doesn't look terribly out of place, but to me, this doesn't really look like the types of fonts that plumbers use, even if they're like super up to date with their branding and their logo. Whereas if we come down here, this is something that I could see, if this was like Jake's Plumbing, I could see this being a logo for Jake's Plumbing, right? Like it matches the industry standard of how it looks, right? Whereas if I was creating an app, right, like a iPhone app, this logo wouldn't really go as an iPhone app, right? It really wouldn't make sense. It would be more visual focused than word focused, right? So I think that this is honestly a really, really great match for plumbers. And this is something that if you were reaching out to them and they saw this in an email signature, they'd be like, oh, is this a plumber reaching out to me? Oh, it's a marketing agency. Okay, this guy clearly really focuses on my industry and my niche. So in my opinion, this is done. The colors work, all this works. You can literally just download this, drop it into Canva to create whatever you want, remove the background, all that good stuff. You are ready to rock and roll with this logo, in my opinion. Before you jump, remember, I've got two things for you in the description down below. Got the free LGA SMMA course, go check that out. And also grab the prompts so that in literally 1, 2, 3 versions of your logo, you can already have a logo created using ChatGPT completely for free. Good video to watch after this one would be this one right here. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate you guys. Drop a comment down below if you found this valuable.